Hi, I'm Paul Rako, and I want to tell you about the Simply AVR Design Contest. This is for engineers, makers, hobbyists, technicians, anyone that wants to combine some AVR microcontroller hardware with some firmware and submit it to the link that we're showing you down below. There'll be cash prizes, there'll be fame and fortune. Great things could await you if you get in the running for the AVR Design Contest. Now, Simply AVR, one of the great things about it is the huge ecosystem of hardware that you can start with. You can roll your own. This little board by my friend Wayne has a little LED and it flashes every 2 seconds, but for 5 months on this little 1220 battery. So that's featuring Atmel's low power. You can program it with the Dragon. Atmel parts come in DIP package, dual inline package, so that you can use pegboard or a prototyping board to make your own hardware. Of course, you could start with the famous Arduino, and we love Arduino. So feel free to get going with an Arduino. All the shields you could start in, start adding firmware, maybe a little bit of custom hardware, anything you'd like to do. Other hardware, well, this is a Linduino board by my friends at Linear Technology. It's got an isolated USB, so the board is isolated from the computer. This is great if you want to do an isolated data acquisition system. You could use one of Linear Technology's A to D converter boards or DAC boards, connect it up here, and have an isolated measurement system. Of course, don't forget all the Atmel kits that are available for AVR. Many have OLEDs, some have LEDs, some have knobs that you can turn and encoders. All of these are great because they work with Studio 6, our integrated development platform. So that can get you a real heads up. There's thousands of code samples in Atmel Gallery, in Atmel Spaces. You can collaborate with other people all over the world. So don't forget about the Atmel Eval kits as a place to start. Then there's this huge ecosystem of people that make their own Arduinos. They make their own Atmel-based products. One, my pals, Evil Mad Science. They make the Diavolino board. They make this kit here, and you can start with this kit. It's open source. It's completely hackable. You can add GPS. You can do 1,000 different things, write different things to the display. Other hardware, well, there's SaneSmart. They also have a whole line of Atmel-based products similar to Arduino. You can program them in the same way. Shields will fit in many of them. So don't forget about SaneSmart. Our friends at Adafruit, well, they've got their own line. You name it, motors, all kinds of things that you can add in to make your hardware start a real leg up on other people. SparkFun's got tons of Arduino-based and Atmel-based products. Feel free to start with some of their hardware. And Seed Studio, they also have many, many Atmel-based, Arduino-based hardware solutions for you. This huge ecosystem can get you a real heads up, so don't be shy and feel free to order up some hardware. You can build your own. Here's some hardware I made over 20 years ago. It's a point of sale terminal, uses Atmel, and then this symbol scanner, still works, you can scan. It was for order it online and pick it up at the store. So anything from a complete product design like this to a cute little board hack like that, will entertain all these. There'll be voting, public voting online, and the judges will look at it and select a winner, and you can get fame and fortune in the Simply AVR Design Contest. Thanks a bunch.